Grammar review, the use of one of phrase. Let's go! Hi, this is Renette. Welcome to Teaching Learning English. If you want to watch more videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below. We always make mistakes while using the phrase one of. I will give you 3 clues. The first clue is when we use one of something or someone in a sentence, it is always singular in form and is used to talk about a noun or a pronoun. One of means out of many, I am only referring to one. Okay? Example, one of that someone or one of that something. Clue number 2, the noun or pronoun is always plural in form. You say, one of my classmates. Classmate is the noun. One of my classmates or one of my classmates. The correct one is one of my classmates. One of them. Them is the pronoun. Clue number 3. The verb is always in singular form, regardless of the tenses of verbs. So let's say one of my classmates is, that's the verb, my neighbor, not are, but is. You say, one of them is my classmate. Did you get it? Them is the pronoun. Let's recap. This is my example. One of my classmates is my neighbor. Or you say, one of them is my crush. One of is always singular. Classmate, that is the noun, plural, and is the verb, and it should always be in singular in form. Is it simple? Please create your sentences using the phrase one of in the comment section below. Happy learning! See you!
So